Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something small, but seriously powerful. Your haircut. Let's be real, the right cut can totally change how you feel, how you carry yourself, and even how people see you. A good haircut isn't just about style. It's about confidence, energy, and presence. So today, I'm sharing my personal picks for the best men's haircuts for 2025. Let's dive in. And as always, this is all about helping you look and feel your best. First up, the textured crop. It's short, modern, super low, maintenance perfect if you're busy but still want to look sharp. Here's the thing, when your hair feels fresh, you feel fresh. No more bad hair days. No more rushing out the door stressed. A clean cut helps you leave the house feeling confident every day. So if you're always on the go, this one's a total lifesaver. Next up, the side part clean, polished, and timeless. You know how it is. Trends come and go, but classic style never fades. The side part is perfect if you're going for that professional, put-together look. And here's something to remember. It's not just about impressing others. It's about respecting yourself enough to take care of your appearance. You deserve to look sharp for you. Looking to stand out in 2025? Then you gotta check out the taper fade with a quiff. This cut is sharp, bold, and shows real personality. You're not just blending in, you're making a statement. And listen, it's totally cool to experiment. Style is self-expression, and your hair is part of your story. So go ahead, own it. And for the guys who like longer hair, medium-length layers are making a big comeback this year. This style says you're relaxed, confident, and comfortable in your own skin. Sure, longer hair takes some care, but that's actually a good thing. Taking care of your hair means you're taking time for yourself. It's not about vanity. It's about self-respect. So here's what I want you to take away from this, guys. Your haircut is way more than just hair. It's part of your identity, your confidence, your fresh start. Looking good isn't shallow. It's self-care. And when you feel good about yourself, you show up differently. You attract respect, opportunities, and good energy. Whether you go with one of these cuts or find your own style, what matters is you're investing in yourself. So if this video gave you some ideas or inspiration, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips made just for you. And most important, be proud of who you are. Take care of yourself, because you deserve to feel like the best version of yourself every single day. Catch you in the next one.